She flashing it.
I can make
Okay. The babies are sleeping.
time.
Look at the doggy.
Time.
They're sleeping good to see.
Pretend they have. Pretend they have.
They're sleeping good.
Pretend they have a sleeping bag
Okay.
so they can sleep out. They might want to sleep. They have sleeping bags.
Okay. Yeah, they can sleep in the
They have
floor.
sleeping bags. Because they have sleeping bags.
Yep. It's time to sleep. Oh. Oh, they're sleeping good. Nobody sleep in the garden?
Why? Do you want the flies to get them?
There's no fly today. You're still eating? Are they gonna sleep? You can sleep in the kitchen.
We need to put these in.
Your shopkin. You put in the fridge.
Going to close the chisel and make some so they can sleep.
Yep.
Might sleep on the stairs. And these guys are going to do the same thing.
Oh, they're all sleeping good. There, they must be tired. They must be tired, huh? Oh, they're sleeping in there. That's cool. They're sleeping good too. sleeping good too.
Here's their toy
Oh, look
jar.
at the baby. Look at the bride and the groom. They're sleeping good too. They must be so tired on their wedding day.
They have some baskets
Mm.
to clean up some toys.
Oh, the doggy has a bone. He has a food in there. That's good. He has a bone. She's sleeping good.
Went to
Kate.
someone,
Caitlin is sleeping good.
someone went to the store and bought some stuff.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. She's sleeping good, Sissy. The sister is sleeping good.
Hello, I'm a petkin.
Oh, they're still sleeping good, huh? Wow, they're sleeping good. Oh, they got full of food in there. Yes, Mike. What happened to the TV?
Then
Mike, look at the...
the TV went to work because I wanted to watch the videos and the computer wrote.
And
The
then what
videos
happened?
were on the
Mike, they're
TV.
sleeping. Mike, the princess dolls are sleeping.
And their sleeping bags.
They're sleeping, Patty.
Mama,
Oh, well.
I need you to come please.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay. They're sleeping good, Mike.
Does Mike want to be the puppy?
Mike, find the puppy. Mike, where's the puppy?
I want to be the puppy. Then what do you want to be? Nobody.
Nobody?
That.
Okay, hold on a minute.
No.
Hold on a minute, Mike.
No. Please, Mama. What
Hold on a minute.
is this?
What is that? Ay, that's a tightener. Yeah, don't lose that. That's important.
It's a small version.
Hmm.
Mama, come on. Someone also bought some dog food. Come on.
I will, sweetie. Hold on.
Please.
Hold on, Mike.
Please. Please, Mama. Mama, come